Have you ever asked yourself the question, do I really need malpractice insurance? Hi, I'm Dr. Stu Hoffman, and in the next couple of minutes I'm going to share with you the truth about malpractice insurance and what the most important thing you need to know about choosing the right insurance company. Here's a hint. It's not the type of policy or even how much coverage you have. Yes, it's true that chiropractors have relatively low premiums for malpractice, and our clients at ChiroSecure have some of the lowest in the nation. However, there is this misconception that the low premiums are because chiropractors never have to use their malpractice insurance and that they will never get sued. Well, unfortunately, both of those beliefs are just simply not true. Licensing board complaints, alleged injuries by your care, sexual misconduct issues, HIPAA violations, failure to diagnose, improper treatment, strokes, rib fractures, and even aggravating of symptoms are all too familiar issues that we find brought against chiropractors. Chances are you already know someone or have heard of somebody that has had to deal with any number of these issues. The truth is, the chances of you having to face one or more of these issues is a reality. And to make believe it can't happen or doesn't happen is analogous to playing Russian roulette with your own future. Here's the real challenge for most of you, and what we find is the biggest mistake you can make in choosing your own provider. If you actually believe you will never have to face any of these issues, you find yourself picking your malpractice carrier based on you simply liking the person, or think that they like you, or any number of other reasons that have nothing to do with malpractice or insurance protection. However, if you face the reality that unfortunately you have to have malpractice because you can find yourself on the wrong side of an angry patient or a licensing board, or even the unfortunate circumstance that something can go wrong regardless of how clinically awesome you may be, then how you choose your malpractice provider must be based on experience, the power to defend you, the expertise of our legal team, and our willingness to go the extra mile when you need us. With that in mind, thousands upon thousands of chiropractors have decided that ChiroSecure is the obvious choice. We have over 39 years of defending doctors just like you and fighting for you and for chiropractic. When you choose your malpractice provider for the right reasons, ChiroSecure is the only choice.